exercise 1.3 second problem. If a equal to minus 5 1 3 7 1 minus 5 1 minus 1 1 and b equal to 1 1 2 3 2 1 2 1 3. Find the product of AB and BA and then solve the system of equations x plus y plus 2z equal to 1, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 7, 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 2. Yeah, in this question what they are asking means products of AB and BA. What is meant by product? Multiplying. இப்போ A-வையும் B-வையும் multiply பண்ணனும் and then B-வையும் A-வையும் multiply பண்ணனும். So you want to find out the products of AB separately and BA separately. After finding those answer and also you want to find out the system of equation. What is the linear system of equation? By using the matrix inversion method. How should you find out? Let us see. A. First A value they have given, B value they have given. If you want you can take and write it in the first step, A value and B value. And doing straight away the multiplication A and B. So A, B, what is the A value is given, you can take it and write. What is the B value, you can take it and write. First one you can take only the rows. Second one you can take only the columns. Second on the columns la da concentrate pannom. First bracket la vandu rows la da concentrate pannom. This is the row. If you have mark potukana enna artham? These are the rows. These are the columns. Now see. First row, first column. 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. 1 into 3 is 3. Plus 3 means you can put it as plus 3. 3 into 2 is 6. So plus 6. Next, first we finished the first row, first column. Next, first row, second column. Plus into minus, minus. 5 ones are 5. 1 twos are 2. 3 ones are 3. So all the things in the middle plus sign should come. Next to the third column. Plus into minus, minus. 5 twos are 10. 1 ones are 1 plus 1. 3 threes are 9 plus 9. So we finish the first row. Next we are taking the second row and first column. 7 ones are 7. 1 into 3, 3. Plus into minus, minus. 5 twos are 10. Next second column. 7 ones are 7. 1 into 2, 2. Plus into minus, minus. 5 into 1, 5. Next 7 twos are 14. If it is plus, you don't want to multiply the signs. If it is minus is there, you can do the sign multiplication. So 7 twos are 14. 1 into 1, 1. Plus into minus is minus. 5 into 3 is 15. Next third row, first column. 1 into 1, 1. Plus into minus, minus. 1 threes are 3. Next 1 twos are 2. Next one. First, third row, second column. 1 into 1, 1. Plus into minus, minus. 1 twos are 2. Next 1 ones are 1. Next one. 1 twos are 2. Plus into minus, minus. 1 ones are 1. 1 into 3, 3 plus 3. Now you can simplify. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. Next similarly, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. Next 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. Next 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. Next one. This 2 you can multiply, add it. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Next 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Here you can see 4 is the common element. You can take it out. Remaining is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is what type of matrix? Identity matrix. Here I3. That is 3 rows and 3 columns. So AB value is 4 I3. I is also you can take it. I no edukala, I3 no edukala. That is wish only. I3 edukala okay, I in edukala okay. Now we want to do the multiplication. AB already we completed. Now we are going to find out the BA. First value is B value you want to apply. First B value and then A value. Same procedure. First row, first column. Here also first bracket la irukadhu edu edukom row, second bracket la irukadhu column. So first row, first column. So minus 5, 7, 2. Next one 1, 1, minus 2. Next one 1 into 3, 3, 1 into minus 5, 2 into 1 is 2. Next 3 5s are minus 15, 7 2s are 14. 1 into 1 is 1. Next 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2, minus 1. Next one 3 3s are 9, minus 10, 5 2s are is 10. Next 1. Next 2 5s are minus 10. Next one is 7, 3. Next one 2, 1, minus 3. 3 2s are 6, minus 5, 3 1s are 3. Now you can simplify means, if you solve this one means you can get it as 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 4. 7 plus 2 9, 9 minus 5 is 4. Similarly, here 0 will come, here also 0 will come, here is 0, here 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4, here 0, 9 plus 1 10, 10 minus 10 is 0, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 minus 10 is 0, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 minus 5 is 4. Now you can take it out, 4 as common. So it is this one also identity matrix, that is 4i3. Now you can check it from 1 and 2. AB equal to BA equal to 4i3 or I. Both are same only. 3 na another 3 by 3 matrix. If you need, you can put it as 3 here. So AB equal to BA equal to 4i. Now we completed AB and BA. This complete paniyachu. And hence solve the system of equation. In the system of equation, already we first sum 3 subdivision, 4 subdivision panna mari idhum panna. So here same only 1 1 1 2 1 1 2. Next one 3 2 1 3 2 1 2 1 3. B value only they have given. So I am taking the B inverse now. If BA வந்து 4 times I. BA equal to 4 times of I. Now I am A, you can keep it here, this 1 by 4. இப்போ இந்த ஆபரேஷன் என்ன பண்றேன்னா, இதுல B A as it is இங்கே வச்சுக்கிறேன். இந்த I is value is 1, you can leave it I. So A as it is, this 4 will come this side means 1 by 4 equal to this B will go that side means B inverse. இப்போ இது அந்த சைடு போயிடுச்சுனா 1 by B ஆயிடும். அப்போ B inverse ஆயிடும். இந்த 4 இந்த சைடு வந்துச்சுனா 1 by 4 ஆயிடும். What is the value for B inverse? 1 by A. இப்போ A inverse வேணும்னா என்ன வரும்? 1 by 4 B. I you don't want to take it. என்னடா I கேம் பார்க்கனா I value is 1 only, you can leave it. Now you are writing in the matrix form. Matrix form you can write this equation 1 1 2 1 1 2. Next one is, that is B 3 2 1. Next one is 2 1 3 2 1 3. What is the formula to find out the inversion method? That is before sum what we have found means AX equal to B. But in this sum we found the value for B inverse. So BX equal to C. நம்ம என்ன ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம்னா B inverse தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். So அதனால BX equal to C. This is the value for B. This B value அதேதான், equation value அதேதான். இதுவும் கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயிடாதீங்க, ரெண்டுமே ஒரே வேல்யூஸ் தான். So BX equal to C. This is B, X value you know, XY is the C value, this constant I am taking 1 7 2. So 1 7 2. In case இந்த 2 வந்து இந்த சைடு கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க அப்படினா you can bring out this side and then write -2. இப்போ இங்க -2 கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க, -2 எழுத கூடாது. You can bring out this side and write it as +2. So BX equal to C, X equal to B inverse C. What is the formula here? X equal to B inverse C. What is the B inverse value? 1 by 4 times of A. B inverse எவ்வளவு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம்? 1 by 4 times of A. So what is the X value? XY Z. So XY Z, B inverse is 1 by 4 times of A. So 1 by 4, what is the A value? You can take and write the A value. What is the C value? 172. The constant only will C. So 172. Now as usual procedure only, this 1 by 4 as it is, you can keep it outside. And then this row, this column. So multiply means -5, 7, 6. -5 plus 7 plus 6. Next one, 7 plus 7. 5 2s are 10, -10. So 7 plus 7 minus 10. Next one, 1 into 1 is 1, -7 plus 2. Now you can simplify this one. You will get, இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் add பண்ணிட்டு you subtract with -5. You can get the answer as 8. This 2 you can add it and subtract with -10. இது add பண்ணாலே பெரிய நம்பர் 14. So 14ன்றது plus -10. So பெரிய நம்பரோட சைன் தான் அப்ளை பண்ணுவோம். 14ல 10 minus பண்ணா வரும் +4. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 7 is -4. Now 1 by 4 outside. Now these are the multiples of 4. இது எல்லாமே எதுல வரும்னா 4 tablesல வரும். If you need, you can divide it in the rougher. 8 by 4 2, 4 by 4 1, 4 by 4 minus 1. So the values of x, y and z is 2, 1, minus 1. Hence the value of x equal to 2, y equal to 1 and z equal to minus 1. Once again I will repeat this sum. In this sum, two things they are asking. First we want to find out the AB by using the matrix product. A and B value you can put it and multiply it and you will get one answer. That you can simplify it and keep it as first equation. And then take it as BA. First put the B value and then A value, multiply together and then find out the BA value. After finding the BA value and hence solve the system of equation. Again we want to solve the system of equation by using the matrix inversion method. So you can take and write the matrix form. Before matrix form you can compare AB and BA. You will get like this. Find out the B inverse or A inverse, that is our wish only. B inverse you can find out because we have the B value. Here also B value is given. So you can take it as B inverse. No need to find out the A inverse. Find out the B inverse. After finding the B inverse you can write it in the matrix form. After finding the matrix form, apply the formula x equal to B inverse C. Already we found the value for B inverse 1 by 4 times of A and then 1 by 4 times of A into C. What does C mean? This constant numbers only we are taking as C in this one. So this constant terms you can write it and multiply first row and first column. Similarly second row, first column, third row, first column. Here only one column is there. So you can multiply with row and column and you will get one answer. Simplify that answer. If it is any multiples, you can take it out as common and simplify it. You will get the unknown values x, y and z. That's all.